Today we're going to be doing How Great Is Our God. We're going to be in the key of C major, so as usual, pause this video, get familiar with the scale, the fingering, and the set of notes, and here we go. So that's the first part. We got 4 chords in our left hand. C major, C, E, G, A minor, A, C, E, F major, F, A, C, and G major, G, B, D. That's the 1 chord, the 6 chord, the 4 chord, and the 5 chord in the key of C major. So our C chord, our first chord, is going to get 8 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our A is going to get 8 beats as well. 5, 6, 7, 8. But the F and the G are going to get 4 beats each. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the last C is going to get 8 beats too. So the last chord and the first chord are both C, and they both get 8 beats. So you're going to be holding the C major chord out for 16 beats total. That's 8 beats on the C, 8 beats on the A, 4 on the F, 4 on the G, 8 on the C. Our right hand goes like this. Pretty simple. C, C, G, D, C, and then again, C, C, G, D, C, and then for the how great is our God, that's C, C, G, D, G, D, C. The rhythm is going to be kind of particular. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3. Combining all that together. And if you want to learn a little bit more of the song, there's also this part. C, D, E, F, E, D, C, and then again, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, and then C, D, E, F, E, G, D, G, D, C. And that is How Great Is Our God. Remember to practice the scale. Thanks for watching.